So here we are, February the 18th, and it's snowing out. Right now it's a finer snow. A few minutes ago it was really big fluffy flakes, and then my video sort of went south. I ran out of storage, so I'm restarting it, and now it's like smaller flakes. But a few minutes ago it was huge. And the little plow came along and put some salt down, just in that circle there. And the hockey game for the Olympics, Canada and Czechia, is playing now. Go Canada, go! I've been watching a lot of the Olympics. I love the skating and skiing. Not to do it myself. No. But to watch it, yes. I just love to watch that. How they do the triple loops. I haven't seen anybody do quad. Waiting for that. Ice dance I don't like so much, but the singles and pairs I like. I don't know if you can hear it. It's actually hitting the window. So nice little pieces of ice too coming there. Mikaela Shiffrin, she got a gold medal this morning. That's really cool. In skiing for the U.S. It was too bad about Lindsey Vonn when she hurt herself the other day. You can see it's really sucked in over there. Mikkel Kinsley, I hope I said his name right. Oh my gosh, he got a gold medal for Canada. That was cool. I'm not going to remember all their names. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. I know Megan got a medal for us too. People, just make sure you stop at the stop signs, okay? Not like that. The stop signs are there to make you safe. I hope it doesn't get too bad outside for people, you know? I want everybody to stay safe. I was watching Sky's video this morning on doing nails. That's really cool. Sure, later, stop. Stop at the light. Stop. That was sort of like a rolling stop. I see a lot of them going through. I don't even know if that one stopped. Even the city of Toronto goes through. And the plows, they just shoot right through it. They say, what's a stop sign? Yeah. So for my post, I got a whole bunch of names to write down tomorrow with their videos. I got so many I watched. It's like, oh my. Let me just see if I can name some of them off. Cornell, that's the bird channel. It's Cornell Labs. Canadian Disney Family. Brad Palmer. Walker, that's Toronto Walker. Crying Hippie. Estelle in Australia. Christine, We Go Tours. Zaza, Gabor. That's on Bathurst Street. Eddie, Ready Eddie. He had a nice video yesterday. Tungay. Tuggay. I have trouble saying his name. Jacques. Johnny Strides. Gert. Sally. Once Upon a City. The International Wolf Center, which I just love wolves. I am a wolf lover. Ken the Continuum. The Raccoons, that's Mike's channel. Brownville, that's the Deer Pantry. Sky Rose, that she did a wonderful nail video. And Turana. I'm going to say his name. I just added him. Touronno. You know what? I should just say Maddie. I just subbed Maddie yesterday. He had a really nice video and he was walking with Randy. And he also showed up on Ready Eddie's video. So I'd like to give a shout out to all those channels because they're all going to be written up on my post tomorrow. And hopefully it doesn't take me that long to do it. Last time it took me a half an hour. Usually it takes me over an hour to write it all down. So that's all the channels that are going to be highlighted on my post tomorrow. I hope some of the people that I highlight get a chance to look, to see what I say about their videos. I do this every week. You can see the trees blowing over there too, eh? Well, at least this one's a longer one than I had before. Before it was only 4 minutes, and then it cut off, said, "Oh, you're out of space." I'm like, what? No, my storage is gone. How could that be? Look at how socked in it's about the airport over there.
Karen A., here is your reminder from Josh. Holly, tell Mommy, Michael, Alex, Jackie Boy, and Sky to feed me.
Oh, no. I was just saying to feed Holly.
Karen A., here is your reminder from Josh. Holly, tell Mommy, Michael,
That's so funny.
Alex, Jackie Boy, and Sky to feed me.
That is so funny. I always got to have something funny and happen on the video. It wouldn't be me if it didn't have something funny happen. Me drop the phone, the cat's crying in the background, or something happens. Usually I drop the phone, but now I got it up on Kleenex boxes, a little bit better. Oh, I'm hoping everybody stays safe today. It looks so slippery out there. There was a little plow came along here and was dropping some salt just on this circular four stop here. But I'm hoping everybody stays safe. You know, they canceled the school buses in certain areas and school areas, and schools are still open. But I'm hoping everybody stays safe. That's a beautiful pine tree, eh? Beautiful pine tree. Okay, people, let's watch this car, what he does. Oh, you didn't even stop. Oh, dear. All right, stay safe, everybody. Have a good one. Take it easy. Bye-bye. See you later.